We shall now have the presentation of the INAE Silver Jubilee Young Engineers Award. The objective of the INAE Silver Jubilee Young Engineers Award is to recognize the outstanding engineering achievements and contributions made by young engineers who are below 45 years of age. 4 young engineers have been selected for this award. The first one is Dr. Avinash Kumar Agarwal. He is Associate Professor, Department of Mechanical Engineering, IIT Kanpur, and has made noteworthy research contributions in the areas of combustion phenomenon in IC engines, reduction of automobile emissions, and non-conventional sources of energy. He has developed the first electronic fuel injection systems for diesel locomotives for Indian Railways. May I request Dr. R. Chidambaram to kindly hand over a certificate, silver plaque and a check to Dr. Avinash Kumar Agarwal. Thank you, sir. The next awardee is Professor Sangamitra Bandyopadhyay. She is from Machine Intelligence Unit, Indian Statistical Institute, Kolkata, and has made pioneering contributions in the areas of evolutionary computation, pattern recognition, bioinformatics, data mining, and multi-objective optimization. Professor Sangamitra Bandyopadhyay is presently abroad. She is in Germany. However, her brother, Mr. Subhojit Banerjee, is here to collect the award on her behalf. May I request Dr. R. Chidambaram, please sir, may I request Dr. R. Chidambaram to kindly hand over a certificate, silver plaque and check to Mr. Banerjee, please. Thank you, sir. The next awardee is Professor Sir Shendu De. He is from the Department of Chemical Engineering, IIT Kharagpur, and has made significant research contributions in membrane separation processes and heat transfer modeling in microreactors. He has invented a water-based extraction technology for the production of polyphenols from green tea leaves and technology for extraction of stevioside, a herbal sweetener, from stevia leaves using membrane-based processes. May I request Dr. R. Chidambaram to kindly hand over a certificate, silver plaque and a check to Professor Sir Shendu De. Thank you. The next awardee is Dr. Sukumar Mishra. He is Associate Professor, Department of Electrical Engineering, IIT Delhi. He has made outstanding research contributions in the areas of power system engineering, intelligent techniques for control of power systems and renewable energy. He has made fundamental contributions both in the area of analysis and mitigation of power quality problems in a power distribution system and developing novel controllers for grid-connected wind energy conversion system. May I request Dr. R. Chidambaram to kindly hand over a certificate, silver plaque and a check to Dr. Sukumar Mishra.